Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video is how to make a bridge rectifier using the 4 diode, which is the 1N4004. So as you can see the schematic symbol and the pin out of 1N4004, the diode and anode. And let's start. So connect in series the cathode of the one diode and then the anode of one diode is connect. Now it's connected. The diode now is assembled. The cathode and anode connected. Then let's make another pair of diode. And now the same, it's the same, the anode and cathode connected. So two diode connected in series through the anode and cathode. So it's done. The another pair of diode is done. And now connect in parallel the two anode and two cathode. Let's connect the two anode and two cathode. So join this two anode and then two cathode. And let's do it now. So join the two anode at the top. So as you can see the diode. Now connected, the two anode is connected. And then the cathode is connected also. So and now the two anode is connected and the two cathode is connected. So this is the output, the cathode and anode. And then the other side is the AC input. Now the bridge is finished. So the AC is the input. So the cathode and anode is the AC. It means the input. And then the output is the anode and cathode.